Hello, it's John Cernuska with MarineMax here in beautiful sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to do a brief walkthrough on a 2005 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer Lamborghini. 340 Sundancer, obviously you know it very well. It's a timeless classic. Her lines are just amazing. This is a 2005 one-owner boat, always been lift kept. Let's board for a closer look. Here we are aboard the 340 Sundancer again. Obviously a very nice, comfortable U-shaped seating here in the aft. Off to the port side, you'll see a wet bar, fridge, port side companion seat. Moving forward, double helm seat here. Nicely appointed helm. Newer isinglass enclosure, camper style, all the way around. Down below, you'll find very comfortable accommodations. Sleeping for five very easily. Forward, you've got a island berth there. Very comfortable with a skylight hatch right above it. You get some fresh air through there. You've got privacy curtains, of course, to get some block off there. Full galley to the port side, microwave, refrigerator, DVD player, stove, of course. Off to the starboard side here, you've got a nice crescent-shaped settee lounger, which will pull out to make another berth. And as we step down below towards the aft cabin, you've got another nice settee area there. That does convert into a double berth. Again, a very nice, clean, one-owner 2005 Sea Ray 340 Sundancer here. If you'd like more information, please reach me direct, John Cernuska, 239-297-4788. Thank you. Have a great day.